our final goodbye house tour. Starting in the front porch. Goodbye key.
Goodbye.
That forever we reached into the mailbox to get. I never had my own key. And this is called the Postie's Delight mailbox.
The front hallway.
The front hallway. We would close both the doors and throw bouncy balls around the hallway.
Study.
Which was also
Slash
the TV room.
Which is where, when I got chickenpox, I played the Little Mermaid game forever, and I beat it. It was the first video game I ever beat.
This is the room where I got really sick and couldn't walk and had to yell at Dad to bring me somewhere to barf. Next we have the living room with its fantastic window.
Yes. This is where the Christmas tree would be.
Yep. This is where the couch would be, on which we played Midnight Madness. This is the glorious archway.
One time, the bathtub drain got clogged, and they had to cut open the ceiling there, and then they found that in the pipes, like right above there was like a 6-inch rope of matted dog hair in the drain.
I don't remember that.
Yeah, over here.
But that's gross. This is the fireplace that isn't really a fireplace.
I found some unused 2-cent stamps from 1918 in there.
Wow. Also, I don't really get what it is, really.
Well, it was a gas fireplace.
No. And that's where we hung our stockings.
All little holes.
Holes from the stockings. And this was the reading space.
Oh, yeah.
Kitchen.
For many, many years, the kitchen was not really a kitchen. They started renovating it before our parents got divorced. And then they got divorced.
Then it took forever to finish.
So we had like bare, like, slats on the walls and stuff like that.
Oh, and this is the oven where this crack in the glass looks like a face, and I thought it was a profile of a face. And this is the window where there was once a crack in the glass, and I thought it was one of those icicles that goes on a Christmas tree, and so I touched it. And then my finger started bleeding, and then I ran into this room and started screaming until everyone came and found out what was wrong.
Which was that you had a tiny cut on your finger.
But I was young. This is the backyard.
It's kind of a mess.
I like the garden. Everyone would get their own section of the garden.
Yes, before it all like collapsed like that.
And there was a compost that we used at one point.
And there were mice in it.
Oh yeah, and birds would come and eat. And we had a trampoline.
Yep.
Which was fun. And the garage is scary, and it's a shack.
This doesn't look anything like it.
There were lots of ants living down there.
Yeah, so they had to take out the first shower that we had. And they put in this one. But for a long time it was really scary to have a shower because you didn't know if it would fall through the floor.
Also, the shower is really dirty and there's all this stuff crusted on it. So for like 3 months, every single time I had a shower, I'd just scrape the walls until it got clean.
That's disgusting.
So I'd clean the shower over the course of a long time.
Gross.